Alright guys, just pulled into the house where the project car is. Let's get it loaded up. Alright, we're up at my buddy Victor's house. He's let me borrow his car hauler to pick up the new project. He's got some neat projects going on.
So,
what are you working on, Victor?
Today I'm going to try to finish working on the crew cab. I'm going to get the motor fired up this evening, put the MSD system on it, and hopefully get this fresh small block going. Start putting the front clip back together.
Victor's still into mini trucks, even though it died years ago. He's got a couple.
The mini truck's on the rise.
I don't know about that. Uncover this thing. I bet people don't even know about these trucks. This is a Crew Cab S10. If I'm not mistaken, they only came in a four-wheel drive. Is that right?
Yeah, they only actually came in a four-wheel drive, and they never came with the standard bed.
So, oh, they had a short bed, right?
Yeah, they actually came with the.
So this truck is very unique. It's Crew Cab. It's got a rag top, and it also has a 6-foot bed, which they did not come with. That I didn't know about. But this is an awesome build. I can't wait to see it done.
I'll pull a sneak peek.
Check out his framework back here. Whew, that's pretty. It's got the Bluetooth rear axle mod.
So they only come in the Japanese model.
Bluetooth 4-link bars. This thing just Bluetooth top of the line. All right, let's get this trailer hooked up. All right, guys, we got the trailer hooked up, and now we're headed for the new project. Alright guys, just pulled into the house where the project car is. Let's get it loaded up.